Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back from another break. Today, doing the July baseball crate from the cardcrate.com. I'm sure by now you guys have seen these. I'm sure by now you know what these crates are all about. If you don't, it's hobby only packs in here. I'll have a link to the website. These are $30 plus $5 shipping. Again, hobby only packs. Every crate is going to have a bonus. There's single, double, triple, home run, and I believe now grand slam. This one. There we go. Sweet. Oh, that's cool looking. Right on top, Ian Kinsler. Insert from opening day. That's pretty cool looking. 2016 Topps opening day, Ian Kinsler. Don't have Mitch Kinsler stuff, so that's pretty cool. That's going to be part of the bonus. I think I got a single here. Or double. Can't remember. As usual, supplies, some top loaders and penny sleeves, in case you get anything nice. Let's see, what do we got? Featured product, 2017 Topps Stadium Club Baseball. Other products, 2017 Allen Ginter, Gypsy Queen, Archives, 2014 Panini Prism Perennial Draft, giveaway, win a free card crate, and coming in August, 2017 Topps Chrome Baseball, and vote on social media for another product you'd like to see in the August crate. He's going to leave it up to you guys. Okay, yep, single. The USA and the main packs here. Alright, got our main packs, got the Stadium Club, Allen Ginter, Gypsy Queen, Archives, and the Perennial, and the single bonus, USA Baseball, and the Kinsler insert for the PC, so thank you, Anthony, for that. Don't have that, so that's a nice addition. Alright, USA Champions. See a lot of people getting hits out of this. I've gotten a hit or two from these. Terry Francona, Christian Lopez, Tino Martinez, Zach Green, AJ Cole, got a blue, numbered 1 of 299, David Berg, Garrett Cole, and Matt Barnes. I'd be surprised if I haven't completed my set yet. There's one or two that I still need for the set on these. I'd be surprised if I haven't completed it by now. It's been a while since I've checked. Matt Morgan, Wyatt Strahan, Spencer Adams draft class, refractor, Brett Austin, and Wes Rogers. On to the Archives. I'm really digging Archives this year. I like the look of the cards. Carly Yastrzemski, Fernando Valenzuela, Tom Seaver, Dustin Pedroia, George Springer. Well, that's pretty neat. Derek Jeter. That's a Archives. Derek Jeter 4. Some of these are short prints. I don't know which ones though, so I'd have to look at that. That's pretty cool. Lou Brock and Whitey Ford. Man, I can't remember what the short print ones are. DJ4, I'll have to look that up. I'm curious. On to the Gypsy Queen. ton of variations and stuff in this year's Gypsy Queen. Ryan Schimpf, Gavin Cecchini, Trevor Story, Trey Turner, Jared Weaver, Robinson Cano, Tim Anderson, and Tom Murphy. I swear that doesn't look like. Every time I see that, I think Ichiro. As soon as I see that picture. On to the Allen and Ginter. Javier Baez, Chris Davis, Andre Dawson, Nunez, Renato Nunez, Julio Urias, what a day. Black border of, I think that's Teoscar. Yep, Teoscar Hernandez, rookie, black border. Adam Eaton and Michael Franco. The Eaton is a short print. So a short print and a short print mini, the black border in that pack, and the insert. That's kind of a loaded pack. Insert, black mini, and a short print. That might be a first. And Stadium Club. Neat draw about Stadium Club is the photography. And then we got Scooter Gennett, Jose Bautista. Insert here. Salvador Perez, Javier Lopez, David Price, Tyler Glasnow, and that card is messed up. Look at that. That sucks. Thanks, Topps. Nice ruined rookie card. Leave it to Topps, right? Tyler Glasnow, 101, messed up rookie card. Renato Nunez, rookie, and an Addison Russell contact sheet. So there you go, guys. The August crate. I have to be on the lookout for some other breaks being posted, see what other people get. Nice 1 of 1. Look at that. That is sweet. That's a BGS 12 right there. I have to submit that. It's a pop 1 for sure. No way that's not a pop 1. The Derek Jeter, I gotta look that up. Can't remember if that's a short print or not. DJ4. Definitely some nice products in this month's crate. I didn't get any hits, but I'm sure other people have gotten some hits. Can't win them all. But it is a nice product that Anthony puts together every month. So be on the lookout for other breaks of this stuff. Be sure to check it out. He does do more than just baseball, so you have to go to his website and check out what he offers. I hope you guys enjoyed this crate break. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks, Anthony, and stay tuned for my next break.